I next take you, Lauren, to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Lauren, take you this to be my husband.
You may now kiss your beautiful bride.
When you have an argument and you know in your heart that you're right and the other is wrong, tell them, honey, you're right.
He swept her off her feet. Together, they've built a beautiful blended family with Noah, Isaac, and now Connor, who makes it complete. Watching Lauren with Nick, you can tell she's always felt supported and truly seen. And as her best friends, that's all we've ever wanted for her. Nick, we hope that you have just as much fun growing old with her as we've had growing up with her. So let's raise a glass to Lauren and Nick, to love, laughter, and a forever as beautiful as the family that they've built together. Cheers.